Hey, it's Tammy Lynn Hancock, and I'm the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you don't give up. My job here is to teach you online marketers, people with network marketing business, affiliate businesses, how to grow your business, how to explode your businesses with attraction marketing. And so today I thought I'd talk to you about teamwork. Hey Finn, nice to have you. Saturdays are a little bit more laid back. I've got my Tennessee whiskey here. It's orange cream. It's really good. And so if you don't have your afternoon whiskey or wine, I just thought I'd just have a little nip of this Tennessee whiskey because Saturdays are the only days I get to have some. And it's really good. It's orange cream, so I'm going to have some. I just like to be a little bit low-key on Saturdays. Teamwork. I want to share with you a story of teamwork. And I hope you have the same experience that I have. Hey Ruth, how are you? Thanks for joining. Hey Kristen. Kristen is part of the team that I was working with Trey Hearn and Kristen, and we were working together to do a boot camp. And I wanted to talk to you about why teamwork is so important. And Kristen is actually part of this, and she didn't even know it when she popped onto my life. But teamwork is so that you're not all by yourself out there. So many times in network marketing, we feel like we're all by ourselves. Hey, Lorraine, hi, nice to have you. So many times we feel like we're different. We're different than the regular world because we do network marketing, right? And most of the other people do a 9-to-5 job. We're out there, we have a different belief system. And sometimes we're just out there, we're working, we feel like we're all by ourselves. Well, in the team that I work with, and the opportunity that I have, hey Shira, we have a dream team, a group of network marketers from all over the world who support each other. So recently, Kristen and Trey Hearn and myself, we all got together and we worked together and did a job that was really out of our comfort zone, but we did it, and we did it really super successfully. Now, the story that I'm telling you was we were doing a training, and as you know, things don't always go great, and we had super bad technical issues. We had prepared, we knew what we were doing, we had venue A, we had a backup venue. We had our notes in place. We knew exactly what was going on, and this was actually the last day of a training that we were doing. And we were ready to go live, and the first venue bombed, and then a computer crashed, and then I went back in to try the first venue and I couldn't get in there. So I says, okay, we're going to go into our backup source to get our live done out there so we could complete our training. And the neatest thing was that I wasn't out there alone. I had the support of Christian and Trey Hearn out there, and we were working together as a team, and somehow, come hell or high water, we were going to get our training done because we were working together as a team. And we did. We pulled it back together. We figured out a way to make it work. We did behind the scenes stuff. One person covered for the other while the other person was fixing the technical difficulties, and we got it done. And we got it done successfully. Teamwork is so important. We need to support each other, and we need to have a support group. And if you're one of those people out there who just feel like my upline is far away from me, they're not able to be supportive of me, or maybe your upline's not working anymore. Hey Betsy, how are you? Maybe you're just feeling like I'm all out there by myself because I'm trying to do attraction marketing, and everybody around me want me to write out a 50-person list and go out and spam them. They want me to go to the malls and walk around with clipboards and try to pound it on people's heads to get them to join my business. So maybe you're feeling like I'm the only one out there, I'm by myself. If you need some help and you need some support and you'd like some information on my dream team and the opportunity that we can show you on how you can get support, just put dream team down below or support, and I'll get back to you, because having people around you to support you is vital. Sometimes our families don't see our vision. We probably have been doing different network marketing companies for a long time. Hold on, it's time to have another sip of my Tennessee whiskey. Hold on. It's really good, y'all. Try it. Sometimes our families have seen us do this, and so they're just not quite on board with us when you're out there. So I want to encourage you to find a supportive group of people who will help encourage you to be the best person you can be. A supportive group of people that will help you refine and rewire your brain from the sale to the give mentality. Teamwork is super important. So I hope my little example of what teamwork meant to me helps you and spurs you on to say, hey, I need that kind of teamwork in my life. I can see that as value. Give me some thumbs up and some hearts if this is resonating with you. Let me know if you've ever struggled with feeling like you didn't have support and people to help encourage you. And if you have some questions while I'm on the live, feel free to just drop me a question and I will answer that for you. But weekends are just a time for us just to reflect and just to talk about our lives and share our lives. So if you have some questions for me while I'm on this live, just pop a question in, and I'll thank you for that support. What I'll do is I'll keep blabbing for a little bit in case your question comes up. But I just want to encourage you that you don't have to be alone out there working your network marketing business. Get supportive people around you. And remember what I'm always telling you, it always starts up here in your mindset. Believe that you can. Believe that you can. Believe that you're a leader. And then show up and do your network marketing every day like the U.S. Postman. In rain, sleet, snow, hail, thunderstorms, they're out there delivering the mail. You get out there and deliver to your target market. So I hope you found this helpful for you today. If you did, hit that button up there and follow me. Feel free to share with some of your friends. Feel free to get back to me if you need some support and you'd like to find out about the opportunity to be with the Dream Team. Put Dream Team down below. And if you need just general help and you're just saying, Tammy Lynn, I hear you talking all the time about attraction marketing. I'm new to network marketing. I want to do this. I have no idea. Put the word help below and I will get in touch with you. And we can get together and come up with a great solution and get you going in the right direction. So listen, you enjoy your Saturday. Take some time for yourself. Do some fun stuff like get some Tennessee whiskey, have a Coca-Cola, go out there and get a Steak and Shake chocolate chunk milkshake. Go get your favorite fried food or your pizza, or eat your super healthy salad that's gluten-free. Do something really fun for yourself. Take some time to spend some time with the people you love and grow yourself as a person, because we need that time to just let our hair down and just enjoy life, because that's what it's all about. So I hope you guys have a really great day. Remember that I am the little engine that could, and you can be the little engine that could too if you don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. God bless you. Until next time.